What is that?
That's a washing machine.
What does it wash?
Clothes.
Can you imagine?
Soap is added here, and the agitation removes any soil and...
What does that wash?
That's a refrigerator. Top compartment keeps food frozen.
And you sell it?
We rent them,
So you sell electricity, and then you rent all the things that need electricity?
more or less.
We don't need any of these things.
Well, the conveniences. Their use gives you time to do other things.
You invent machines to do those, then what do?
You can enjoy a more leisurely...
It ain't more leisurely, because we gotta work more to pay for all this stuff.
He's got you there.
This is the future. Every home in New York City has electricity.